Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize your VRChat avatar, provided it has customization options, using the built-in interface of VRChat, because some of them have a lot of different fun features that you might not be aware of. For starters, one of the ones that you can grab out of these freebies here called, what is this, Nimbus or Invariable? This one has a few different lizard skins that you can pick from, so you have like green and red and blue, but how do you access them? Well, the simple answer is all you have to do is hit the R key, or the button on your VRChat or your VR controller that opens up the radial menu, and it'll look something like this. And it comes with a lot of different expressions, usually, is where these options are hiding, where you can do things like you can change the alternate skin color to be like purple or white if I want to be like an albino, or maybe red. And then similarly, there's also some options for the clouds on my tail. I can turn them on or off. I can have giant poofy clouds on my hands, so it looks like I'm made out of cotton candy. Depending on what you're interested in, there's a lot of different stuff that some of these different avatars have. You just have to go and look around. They also have things like the quick actions section, which is where you can increase the height of your avatar a little bit. So I can make myself taller if I want, or I can even make myself shorter. You can reset your height to what it was before you started editing things, or reset your avatar to default, or release whatever pose you might be setting yourself in while you're editing things. And sometimes these avatars also come with their own custom animations, although they at least come with the ones that come with VRChat, where you can do a little dance, do a little cheering, and clap for people. So it's always exciting. You can just turn them on and off with like a little quick toggle. And that's usually about it, unless you see like another category here. Some people can program in a whole section of additional stuff that these different avatars can do. It really just depends on how advanced the avatar that you got is. So I hope you found that helpful. That's been a brief look at how to do some of the customizations of the avatars inside of VRChat. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.